Question 35. The IUPAC name of open parenthesis CH3 close parenthesis 3 C CH2 CH3 is A. 1,1,1-trimethylpropane. B. 2,2-dimethylhexane. C. 3,3-dimethylbutane. D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. The correct answer is D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. Explanation. The parent name is butane because the continuous carbon chain is 4 and there are 2 methyl groups attached to the same carbon at position number 2. Hence the name 2,2-dimethylbutane.